let's recap, because a lot of this, what to share, it comes from almost another dimension, one would say, or comes from the heart. And when I go into this dimension, my words also might be taking you into this dimension, and at the same time, there's a lot of information there. So let's recap the information. The buzzing sound in the ear, it's the Om sound. It's something completely natural. It starts in the right ear. If you pay attention to it, you will also hear it from the left. If you pay attention to it further, you will also feel it inside your whole body. Many traditions have explained the sacredness, the beauty, the importance of the Om sound, and they connect it with the manifested universe. This is how everything around us exists. They exist because the Om sound exists, because that Om sound is the vibration that maintains the universe. This vibration is what started the universe. The whole manifested universe is a result of this vibration, the Om vibration. Most of the people, they do not hear it yet. As we become more and more conscious, more and more awakened, then we start to hear it. If you visit the doctor, they will not find nothing wrong with you. And it's actually a beautiful sign that you are becoming conscious. What does that mean? It means that your attention is no longer completely taken from the outside world, and you start to come inside more and more. And this is, your energy goes higher, you start to energize the higher centers, your mind becomes calm. There is where the Om sound appears for you. And most of the people, they recognize it because they could also hear it as a child or after they left a nightclub. But that nightclub sound was it's not as subtle. It's a buzzing, electrifying sound, but subtle. There are many techniques for you to enhance it, and we also talked about the science behind it. We talked about how now we know that the electron is both, in the quantum level, is both a particle and a wave, connecting that with how everything vibrates. Tesla said that if you want to understand the universe, think of energy, think of vibration. And we know that everything, even though it looks solid around us, it vibrates non-stop. Depending on the rate of vibration, its state changes. We talked about the ice cube becoming liquid, becoming gas. So it's the same happening with you. When you start vibrating as an entity on high, when you raise your energy, your vibration changes. When you start to vibrating high enough, then you become less dense, you become less identified with your body, you become more spiritualized and more spiritual. Then you start to vibrate higher, and you start, one of the first things that happens is you listen to the Om sound. And it's great, and I'm very happy for you. Anything else? That's it. That is all about the Om sound. We also gave some understanding that this is not the only sign, it's one of the signs. We also gave an explanation of what other signs that might be there for you, so that you're not worried. It's all beautiful and normal.